All right, everybody. So it's your favorite master mechanic here. Today, I'm working on this drain snake and had an issue with it. They have a built-in GVCI plug in the power cord that if it senses any like water or like any fault or anything with the motor, it trips. So this one came back with it tripped and it wouldn't reset. So took that off. A lot of times you get moisture and stuff inside of here whenever I'm cleaning them. And so I took the cover off, blew that all out, looked for any obvious bad spots, and didn't find nothing. And it still won't reset, and it won't work at all. So I kind of started thinking maybe there's a problem with the motor, since that wasn't obviously fried. But just to take the power cord out of the problem, like out of the equation, I went to our scrap pile and I cut the straight power cord with no GVCI, just normal power cord. I cut this off out of the scrap pile, and then I butt connected these connections on it, and I unplugged I unhooked the original power cord, took all this crap apart, and I hardwired in this cord, plugged it in, and now let's see if I can all right, now this straight cord out of the scrap bin, it works. So just taking the cord out of the equation without having to do a bunch of testing or tearing into the motor too deep, I just figured out that the original cord was bad and used a new cord. So I ordered a new GVCI section. So I'm gonna just cut that one out and then connect the new one. And we're gonna be golden. Thank you for watching. This is Isaac, master mechanic. Fix everything, drain snakes to scissor lifts to everything in between. Hell yeah, brother.